Today is zucchini baking day. Today I'm making chocolate zucchini bread, and that is why I did not wash my beaters. If you're baking a whole lot, just either rinse your beaters off, or most recipes you can just go to the next one if you're doing a lot of baking. Okay, let's see. Not quite. All right, now there's my zucchini. Love my cutting glove. Don't scratch my fingers when I'm grating or cut my fingers off when I'm cutting things. All right, then this is a dump and go recipe. Got my flour and my cocoa powder. And baking soda. And my salt. And my eggs. Oops. And I'm going to soften my butter. And there's my softened butter. And my oil. Yes, I keep my oil in an old pancake syrup bottle because it fits easier in my drawer. Brown sugar. Now it's supposed to be packed, so what I do is I just do 1 cup unpacked. And my vanilla. And my mini chocolate chips. I use mini because they go further than regular chocolate chips. So if it calls for a cup, and I use a 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips because it distributes more evenly in there and I don't need to use as much. Now it calls for a traditional loaf pan, but I got this at a garage sale and I absolutely love this pan. It's just a nice size. So what I'm gonna do is just use this pan. So it's not gonna be as tall, but it'll be a little bit wider. All right, and then we're gonna stick that in the oven. Here's our double chocolate zucchini loaf. Oh, yum. Except you gotta get closer to you. Okay. Thumbnail.
It smells delish.
There you go. Okay, now test. That's zucchini loaf.
Mmm. 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 Mmm.